Take a sheet of 30 centimeter length and 30 centimeter breadth. Then make out 9 blocks out of it, each of 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter. Then lightly score all the lines using scissor for clear fold, like this. Then fold all the lines Then take a paper of 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter and cut a heart out of it, like this. Put heart at each corner, 4 corners of the paper, like this. Mark heart at each corner so that you can cut each corner like in heart shape. Remember that you can take any measures according to size you want, but you only have to take a square piece. Then make a diagonal line at each corner block and score it, like this. I will score it using scissor. Score each corner. You get all 4 corners. Then cut all these parts. So that every corner can get a heart shape. After cutting all the hearts at each corner, just fold the box like this. Fold the box like this and your base is ready. Now for making lid of the box, take a sheet of 18 centimeter length and 18 centimeter breadth and make a border of 3 centimeter each at every corner, like this. Now score all the lines for the clear fold. I will score the paper using scissor. Like this. Score neatly. Now cut one edge of every corner like this. glue to attach all the sides. Or you can also use double-sided tape to attach all these lines to make a lid. This is the final box which we made with the base and a lid. So our box is ready. So if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and also share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit that bell icon. Thanks for watching.